Hey YouTube, it's your girl Bella. Hi everybody. Hope everyone's having a great day. I am feeling so much better. So I'm finally back with a new video. So as you can tell from the title of the video, this is a shopping haul video. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So I would like to say hi to my brand new subscribers. I'm almost up there. I'm almost at like 300 and something, 329 the last time I checked. So I want to make an announcement before everything. Yesterday was my birthday, and I decided yesterday that when I reach 500 subscribers, I will do a huge giveaway, a huge giveaway. And I'm a shopping fanatic, so for sure it's going to be huge. Anyways, so let's get started in the haul. Oh, if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and share and comment. And don't forget, I always answer all my comments. So, first I went to Micheals, and then I went to HomeGoods, Homesense, and then another store, and I'll tell you all about that in a minute. So, let's get started with the haul. Okay, Micheals first. So, at Micheals, I went in there just to see what they had left for Christmas, and they had a lot of stuff left. So, everything I got on that day was 80% off, so I'll show you what I got. I got these water bottles. They're part of their Christmas collection. I guess they were some kind of plaid Christmas collection. I got two of this color, and they were $9.99 Canadian with 80 off, came to about $2. So I got that. I got two of these actually, this color. I got two. So I got that. Okay. And then I got another one in this color, and I'm actually going to gift this to my friend, because she does a lot of driving, and I think she needed a new water bottle. So I really like that. So I got that. Okay. And then I got this for my desk, and it's a little bee with a little crown. Okay, this was $14.99 and 80% off, so just a few dollars. Then I got this here, and I know if you're following me and you're following along, you know I showed this in my after Christmas haul. So this is the same little dish plate. It's an angel wing. It's really cute. I got this one for my mom at 80% off from $19.99. So that it wasn't much. It was really inexpensive at 80 off. Okay, and then I got this. I got two of these frames. The first one says "Hello Beautiful," and you just put a 4x6 picture in it. And it's really cute. It's you can hang it, or you can put it on a tabletop or whatever. And I think they're really nice. This was $12.99. I got two of them. I'll show you the other one. The other one says "Find Adventure," and it's the same thing. And it's kind of like, it's the rustic wood. It's really cute. I think it's really nice. I don't know if I'm gonna keep these or I'm gonna gift them as gifts. Like for like a teenage girl or something. So I think that might work. Okay, and then I got this. I got a cross. I think it's really pretty. This was part of their Christmas collection too. This was, how much was this? $14.99 with 80% off. And I bought it because I have a bunch of other crosses, but I want to create a cross wall, like a collage of crosses with some pictures and stuff, and maybe some inspirational quotes in my house somewhere. So I got that. Okay, and I got one more thing from Micheals. Let me show you this. So I got this. Isn't that nice, right? It's got the cream hydrangeas and gold berries and Christmas greenery and some magnolia leaves. And guys, this was $99.99. But at 80% off, it was only $20. I thought that was great. So that's what I got from Micheals. Okay, Homesense. Okay, so Homesense HomeGoods. So I went in there looking for some Christmas decor, but they had absolutely nothing left. So I kind of browsed around, and I found some stuff on clearance, and I found some new stuff. So I'll show you guys that. So first things first, I got this latte mug, and it's handcrafted in Portugal, and it's microwave and dishwasher safe, and it's really pretty, right? It's really nice. They had this on clearance, and I don't know why they had this on clearance because there's nothing wrong with it. And its original price was $5.99, and it was double discounted to $3. So I thought that was a really great buy. So I got that. I found this. Isn't this cute? So the texture is like a pineapple, and I'm obsessed with pineapples. And what's inside it is minty exotic mojito bath fizzes, and I thought that was really cute actually. And but I liked it for the mug. I'm gonna wash it out. The straw is like a real straw, like those really good plastic straws. And I'll show you the bath fizzes. They're really cute and they smell really good. So there's a little bath fizzes. I guess you just drop them in your bath and whatever. So I'm gonna use them upstairs, but I'm gonna wash this out really good, and I'm gonna use it as a travel mug. Anyways, this was originally $8.99 and marked down, double marked down to $4. So I thought that was a really good buy. So I got that also. Okay, then I got these. I don't know if you can see it. They're, you know, those oil diffusers that you put the little sticks in, and it comes with the sticks. This one is caramel and pecans, or pecans, caramel and pecans, whichever way you say it. I say both. Anyways, and it is the GC Signature Collection High Fragrance Diffuser. And it's originally $7.99, and it was double marked down to $3. So that was a really good buy. I actually got 2 of them, but I've already used one. So, okay, let me show you the last thing I got on, oh no, there's one more thing. Where'd it go? It's here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Okay, I want to show you this first. So, here you can see it. It's the Eco Nuts. I don't know if it's focusing. Eco Nuts Organic. Okay, USDA Organic Eco Nuts Organic Glass Cleaner Lemon Citrus Smell. Guys, this smells so good, but this works amazing. Like if you go to your local HomeGoods, I guess Micheals or TJ Maxx, probably HomeGoods, probably only HomeGoods will have this. It's amazing. It works amazing. It shined up my kitchen table so good. I highly recommend this. And I got inspired by my friend Deborah. Hi, Deb. She has a YouTube channel. If I could link it, guys, I would totally link it. I have no idea how to do it. But she did a haul on all these like organic cleaning products. So she kind of inspired me. And I am going to buy the ones that she bought because I got inspired. So, but I found this and I thought, okay, let me try. And this is really good. And, price. So $7.99 and down to $3. So I thought that was really great. Okay, so last thing is this box here. It's a set of 4 stemless wine glasses. And this is kind of funny because if you know me and you know me well, you know I do not like the winter at all. I can't stand the winter. I don't do anything in the winter at all. I barely leave my house. I leave my house to go to work, come home, shop, and come home, and take my daughter to cheer and come home. And that's it. That's all I do. So they say eat, sleep, and ski. I don't ski. I do eat and sleep though. So anyways, I thought they were really cute. And the whole set of 4 was originally $12.99. And they had a double mark down to $3 also. So I thought for $3 for a set of 4 is really, really good. So I got that. Okay, so that's all I found on clearance. And I missed the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. So I wanted to get some more candles for the winter. And I really love this name brand. This name brand is amazing. It's the DW Home Collection or DW Candles. You can find them online, but I like to find them at Micheals and TJ Maxx and HomeGoods or HomeGoods, Homesense. You know, anyways, you understand. So it's called Unwind. This is really good. It's handcrafted and it contains essential oils. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh my God, I wish we had smell-o-vision. This smells so good. But I liked it because of its wood top and this little leather, I don't know, doodad thing. Looks like a little button. It's kind of cute, right? So I got that. That was $12.99. So I got that candle. Let me put it somewhere. Okay, got that. And then I got another one. And this is the DW Naturals, and it's meditative teak wood. Oh, this one smells so good. And I like it. I'm going to put this up in my bedroom. I'm kind of trying to look for all this dark gray stuff, but I'll get to that in a minute. So I got that. And this one was $5.99. And then I really like the office stuff at HomeGoods or Homesense. I like these file folders. It's a set. It's three different kinds in here, and they're black and white, and the tabs are like this pale rose, pale dusty pink, I guess it's called. And they were $6.99 for a set of 9. And I get these for work. When I have new projects and stuff, I always file all my clients' stuff in these kind of folders because they're heavy duty and they really last and they don't bend, and I can bring them with me in the car and stuff. So I got that. And so that was it for HomeGoods. And I'm actually gonna cut this video short because I'm having a really, really hard time. I don't know if the app that I'm using is giving me really hard time filming, and it deleted. I filmed this video for you guys. I've actually tried to film this video for you guys 4 times, and it deleted it, and it's been a nightmare. Anyways, so that's it for my home haul. For this home, what did I say? For this haul. Okay, so that's it for this haul. Anyways, I want to thank everyone that's watching. Thank you so much, guys. And I hope you're having a great day. And thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. Hit on the little bell, the little gray bell beside the subscribe, so you're notified when I upload new videos. And I want to thank all my new subscribers and my old friends. Hi guys. All my YouTube friends. I'm really, really grateful. I'm having such a great time doing this. So I hope you come back, and I am going to do another video for you very, very soon. Okay. Bye, YouTube.